Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to talk about a big announcement from Apple. They're finally on Figma. That's right, Apple has released their own design system, and it's available directly in Figma. The Apple design system in Figma includes a wide variety of components, including buttons, text fields, icons, and more. All of the components are fully customizable, so you can create designs that look and feel exactly the way you want them to. The system also includes both light and dark themes, so you can create designs that are optimized for both day and night use. There are a number of benefits to using the Apple design system in Figma. First, it saves you time. No longer do you have to create your own components from scratch. Second, it ensures that your designs are consistent with Apple's human interface guidelines. This is important for a number of reasons, including usability, accessibility, and brand identity. Third, it makes it easier to collaborate with other designers. Everyone can use the same components, so there's no need to worry about compatibility issues. I encourage all UX and UI designers to check out the Apple design system in Figma. It's a great way to save time, ensure consistency, and collaborate with other designers. Thanks for watching.